look at the potential offer buying formula for a house, like an ugly house that you might want to flip, or you found one and now you're like, how much should I pay for this house? So obviously always you want to make sure that you're buying it right. That's number one. You have to buy it right. So always calculate the improvement costs that you will incur during the house, but first base the number on what can you indefinitely sell the house for. So let's say you could definitely sell this house for 1.2 million. Okay, great. I can sell it for 1.2 million. I'm going to calculate the cost of borrowing the money, closing costs, realtor fees. I'm going to calculate my construction and labor cost, and then based on that I'm going to decide what I'm going to put in as an offer. So let's say you could sell the house for 1.2 million, or the house could be sold for 1.4 million, except we're going to base it on the lower number, and anything over that number is going to be a bonus. Okay, so you say to yourself, okay, so if I buy this house for $500,000, if I put in $250,000 in renovations, to let's say the project is going to take me about 7 months to do, I will pay about $10,000 a month between closing fees and money fees and hard money fees and lender fees and all these things, which will cost me about another $65,000. Then the agent commission will cost me about another 60 grand when I go to sell this place. And so the total that I will be all in on this project will be $875,000. I'll take that $1.2 million sale price minus $875,000, and then basically what I'm going to end up with is I will have myself a nice $325,000 to $500,000 profit. Now, you could do that all day long. That seems like it would make sense to me. So, yeah, I would basically put in an offer, and I would make my offer 500 grand. Let me see if I could scroll down on the screen. There we go. 325,000 to 500,000 is what I expect you could sell it for, and that tells you what you can offer for the property.